Exercise 212, opening xlsx files in ArcMap. So an xlsx file is an Excel file for Microsoft Office. So to do that, let's try and add it in through the Add Data button. We'll go to Chapter 2 Exercises, Data, and then cities.xlsx. Let's press Add for that one. You're going to get this error, failed to connect to database. So when this happens, ArcMap can't understand what kind of file type this is because it's a newer file type. So let's see if we can convert the file. So let's press cancel here and then go back over and open this file in Excel. Once you've opened the file in Microsoft Excel, you'll see that it's the same data from the previous exercise. We want to convert this file type to something that ArcMap can use. So we're going to use an older file type called xls. To change the file type, go to File, Save As, and then we're going to go over here to where it says Excel Workbook XLSX, and we'll change it to Excel 97 through 2003 Workbook, or .xls. Now that you've selected the file type, press Save. Now we're going to go back to ArcMap. Now let's add that workbook to ArcMap. So we'll go to Add Data, and then select XLS and press Add. Then we need to choose which sheet from that document we want to use. So it'll be this one here, Cities with the money sign at the end. Press Add. Now we've got it in ArcMap. Go ahead and right-click on Cities and open the attribute table for it. Just like before, you can view the data within it.